Okay.
So both at 4K 60 HDR videos, and wow, check out. So with more stable, I'm gonna run a little bit. Right now we are in Xi'an, or we are on the wall. Yeah, on the wall. So yeah, let me just run a little bit to see who has the best stabilization, you know, everything. Wow, let's go, let's go. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen, so zoom videos, ultra wide, who is more wider. From the screen, I would not so much difference, right? Oh no. S25 Ultra is wider, definitely. And go to 1. This is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 5 times on the S25 Ultra, 6 times on the 8X8 Ultra. Alright, and then we go to 10 times. 10 times. Alright, 10 times. All the way to 30 on the OPPO. But for S25 Ultra, all the way only supports 20 times. So yeah, it's a little bit windy. You can also check the noise cancellation thing. Okay, that's the zoom. Okay, that's the zoom. Let's see. So 4K 30. Some of you guys are asking, how about the concert? Okay, which one has the better one? Watch wide. 1, 2, 3, 5, and let's go to 10.
好了，就是5年前有一天晚上睡不着觉，给
10 times.
一个朋友名字叫
And now
用他的名字写了一首歌。我们今天时间到了，我要回家做饭，找妈妈去。
and 20 times. But for the OPPO, we can go to 30 times.
一会儿再可能说，大家注意带好自己的体重计，带好自己的小孩，带好自己的家人，注意安全。这2天风大，然后出门都方便。谢谢大家，谢谢。
Even 20 times.
完了，结束了。
Alright guys, forget 30 zoom for you guys. So this is the main camera, and let's go to Ultra. So which one looks better to you guys? 1. Okay, 1 time, 2 times. 3 times. 5 times on Samsung, and 6 times on the Vivo. On the OPPO, I mean, on OPPO. And 10 times. Let's go 10 times. Okay, this is 10 times. 20 times. 20 times. 30 times. On the OPPO. Okay, and that's basically the zoom at night. Alright guys, check this out. Check this out. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Yeah, beautiful, super beautiful, right? Oh my gosh. Let's go Ultra. So Ultra. So which one do you prefer? From what I see from the screen, seems like the OPPO A little bit oversaturated, right? A bit oversaturated, and let's zoom. Direct to 10 times maybe. Okay, 10 times, 6 times on OPPO first, and then we go to 10 times. Yeah, 10 times. 20 times S25 Ultra. 20 times. 30 times OPPO. Let's see. K 30. Guys, check this out. What a beautiful corridor, eh? 4K 30, no HDR. I disabled the HDR on both phones and just check normally. And yeah, beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Yeah. Woo. Maybe I should try HDR, right? Now HDR videos. I'm not sure if they perform well at this dark net situation. Okay, let's check out. K 30 videos, not videos. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Check this out. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Wow, super beautiful. Let me run a little bit so you can see the difference, the stabilization, everything. Right. That's it. Let me know who has the best stabilization, video quality, those. Right, that's it. Alright, portrait videos. That's a semi. Okay. Wow, so you can see. Looks cinematic, right? With the blue background, everything. Okay. Okay, wow. I see that OPPO has lots more details when in the backlight situation. Okay, that's it. Like we are in a very famous street in Xi'an province. Just come check out this beautiful street, not a street. So beautiful. Today is got a bit dusty because of the wind, you know. But yesterday is like much more beautiful. Yeah, so I'm checking the front camera. But for front camera, we can have the portrait video, right? So let me just take the portrait video. So portrait videos, guys, check out portrait videos. Alright, so let's walk a little bit. K 60. Ladies and gentlemen, 4K 60, front the camera. Guess where am I? I'm in Xi'an. I'm with this outfit, you know, traditional outfit like from Tang Dynasty or Ming Dynasty, whatever. The 4K 60 front. Okay, let's just walk around, have fun. See the stabilization. It's a cloudy day. I think I forgot to run. It's a cloudy day. Let's check out who has the best stabilization. Let's go, 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 go. Woo! Okay, you guys let me know who has the best.